Alyssa, what grade levels and subjects do you tutor at Ardent?
I tutor the Java and Python programming languages to students from a range of ages, from 5th graders to 10th graders.
So then what's your experience in those fields of computer science?
Well, I'm mostly self-taught in Java and Python, but I use them now on a daily basis. Sometimes for school, sometimes for like random projects, such as creating a game or using it to set reminders. And I constantly challenge myself to do new things with these two languages. Whenever there's an issue that I think I can apply automation to, I'll try to use these programming languages to help improve my daily life.
Awesome. And when it comes to tutoring these subjects, what is your approach with your students?
So I think teaching a student is more than just teaching them a concept, than having them do exercises one after another. I aim to develop their critical thinking skills and the understanding of the topic. Like the saying says, if you give a man a fish, you'll feed him for a day, but if you teach them the fish, you'll feed them for a lifetime. So I think it's so important that you make sure the students understand the inner workings of what they're being taught. It's like understanding how and why a formula works in math rather than just like memorizing the formula. So this way, when they're presenting with a new issue, the students can apply their knowledge in different ways than just how you taught them to use the formula. They'll be able to come up with their own way of using this formula.
Awesome. So definitely focus on a deeper understanding of the material. How have you seen your students grow, maybe in their deeper understanding during your tutoring sessions?
As a programming instructor, I've watched students begin to grow and understand programming because it requires a different mindset to understand code, and you have to kind of think like a computer. And I think it's very important to not just teach them how to code, but they have to be able to think, and that's how my students have grown.
That's great. I'm sure that all of them have developed that think like a coder mindset, which is so important. So what has been your favorite part about tutoring at Ardent?
I would say my favorite part is not only helping students grow, but I'm also able to build my own technical and interpersonal skills. So, as they say, like the best way to understand more about a topic is to just teach the topic to someone else. And not only am I helping the students code, but I'm also extending my own skills, knowledge, and understanding of coding. So as I teach them, I will also know more about the topic itself.
Thank you so much for being one of our star tutors at Ardent.